we have got the plots done, and I dug out the pond, gotten this stuff covered as much as we can. I didn't want to dig everything up, I just wanted to get some dirt up, some soil up, but it's covering it good. We like we got down here just in time. Calling for rain tonight. Then I think over the next week, 60% chance tomorrow, 70, and then 2 days with 80% chance. So should do good. Give it a couple of weeks. This will be coming up pretty good. Got the little farmer there. Little hell, he's grown now. Little shit's gonna be senior in high school, gonna be 18 here in a month.
It's time, pack it up.
Okay. Okay. Go through that spot a couple more times, don't get out of here. Went ahead and girdled and double girdled some of the trees around here. Hopefully it'll kill them off for good. These hickories, I don't give a shit if we got hickories out here. The oaks I want to keep, but hickories are useless for deer. Hey Noah, one more and then just bring it right up over to there. One more around and then just bring it right to there. This has always been a great shot plot down here. Yeah. Deer coming through here all year long in this spot, so see what it looks in a couple weeks.